In this video, we will complete the SSH connection and Wi-Fi connection tutorial. If this is the first time you're powering on your host computer, to access SSH, first connect to the host computer via the serial port. Warning: during the first startup, only power and Type-C connections are allowed. Do not connect any other cables. For firmware, compilation, and flashing, please use Wi-Fi to connect to the host SSH. Before starting the connection, please download and install an SSH. Both versions are available for use. I download the portable version. Right-click and pick your extraction tool. Just choose Extract to folder and you're good to go. If you've already set up Wi-Fi through the system profile and it's already up and running, once you've set up Wi-Fi through the system profile and it's already up and running, you can connecting SSH over Wi-Fi. If you haven't connected to Wi-Fi or started it up yet, we use the serial port to connect SSH and then connect to Wi-Fi. Make sure that you've flashed the right system onto your TF card or M2WE and that it's correctly installed in the Mellow C5. Basically, just confirm that you've already flashed the system image in the previous step. For the Mellow Fast system, the username you'll use is root. Use a Type-C cable to connect the Mellow C5 to your computer. Be sure to connect it to the Type-C port on your host. After the connection is complete, we'll go back to the computer. If the motherboard is properly connected to the computer, opening the serial interface will show the CH340 port. Choose CH340 COM3. Speed choose 115200. After that, click the OK button. Then we log in with a username and password. Next, enter the password, Mellow. The password will not be displayed as you type. The Mellow Fast system account is root and the password is Mellow. The Mellow Fast system only has the root account, no other accounts. The next step is to connect to Wi-Fi. Before connecting to Wi-Fi, remember to install the antenna. The red arrow is showing you where the Wi-Fi antenna connects. Please install the antenna on the C5, otherwise, poor signal strength may result in failure to connect to the network. In the SSH terminal, enter or paste the MTUI command and press Enter. This will display the interface. Select the Activate a Connection option. Hit Enter and you'll go to the next menu. Click on the password input field and enter the password. If the password is correct, an *** will appear next to the corresponding Wi-Fi network. Then we enter the command IPA grep inet. Find an IP address in the output that is on the same subnet as your router. This is the IP you can use to access the device. Copy the IP address and paste to access Fluid. To switch between Fluid and Mainsail instantly, just click the icon in the top right corner. It'll toggle between the two web interfaces. That's it for this video tutorial.